Hey guys, today we're going to go over GSI Outdoors cooking system set. So, here it is here. Comes in this nice protector that doubles as a washer, being able to wash the gear in here. Take this out. This is the Pinnacle Soloist. I have a jet boil, but this is just what I use as backup. So you got the extenders. You can take this handle off if you need to. You just push that in, and this can come out if you want it. But pretty nice sizable pan for cooking. Not bad. And then again, this has like a reinforced bottom. Let's see if I can get it with the seals. You can tell it's sealed up real nicely, so you can hold water in this and use it to clean dishes and all that. Here's the top. Got a spot here for sipping. Steam can come out here. Very nice. Here it is with the lid on. Not bad. Nice minimalist cooking set that you can usually find on sale. I got this off steepandcheap.com, and it was a pretty good deal. So fold it like that if you want. I'll fold all the way in. It also did come with I believe it came with a cup and a spork as well that folds in and out, but I think the spork broke. So, but just as a pan itself, maybe as a backup or anything like that, you can get this pretty cheap. Or you can do the whole setup of the GSI as like a kind of a jet boil setup. But yeah, basically like a jet boil, you can basically carry all of it in there. There's the fuel, there's the thing that goes on top of the fuel, that burner, I guess you'd call it, the spork, and then the bowl, and then the lid, and you can fit all that into here. So yeah.